I'm Eugene A. Divina Jr. From BSMT Y1-10. Energy efficiency is crucial in the maritime industry for several reasons. Number 1, cost savings. Improved energy efficiency leads to reduced fuel consumption, which directly translates to cost savings for ship operators. With the maritime industry heavy reliance on fuel for propulsion, even small improvements in energy efficiency can result in insignificant financial benefits over time. Tapos, number 2, environmental impact. Environmental impact, enhancing energy efficiency helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and other pollutants released by ships. This is especially important in the context of global efforts to mitigate climate change and reduce environmental footprints. To mitigate climate change and reduce the environmental footprint of maritime activities. Compliance with regulation. Many maritime regulations, such as those set by the International Maritime Organizations or IMO, include provisions related to energy efficiency and emission reduction. Adhering to these regulations is essential for avoiding penalties and maintaining a positive reputation within the industry. Number 4, competitive advantage. Competitive advantage. Companies that invest in energy efficient technologies and practices often gain a competitive edge. They can attract environmentally conscious customers, comply with emerging regulations more easily, and demonstrate for commitment sustainability. Long-term sustainability. Improving energy efficiency contributes to the long-term sustainability of the maritime Improving energy efficiency contributes to the long-term sustainability of the maritime industry. It helps to conserve finite resources, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and promote the development and adoption of cleaner and more sustainable technologies. Shipping is a significant contributor to global greenhouse gas emissions, which contributes to climate change and other environmental issues. Improving energy efficiency can reduce the amount of fuel consumed by ships. This can lead to lowered greenhouse gas emission, air pollution, and other environmental impacts. Overall, energy efficiency is a key driver of innovation, cost effectiveness, environmental stewardship, and competitiveness in the maritime sector. That's all, and thank you, sir.